Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing great and thank you so much for tuning in to this video today. Today's video is going to be a collective makeup haul. So these are all the products that I have purchased in the last 2 to 3 months. Some of them are online, some offline, and yeah, it's just a bunch of products that I've accumulated which I wanted to show. It's also been a while since I filmed a video. I think the last video I posted was like over 2 weeks back, and the reason was that I was not feeling well. I suddenly started getting chest congestion. I first developed feverish symptoms, and as you know, since Corona is going on, it really put me in a panic mode. So I did take medicine. I became okay. Then my dad fell sick. Now my mom is also not well. She has sugar issues. So all these things really, made me kind of go crazy. Like I did not want to be on social media or put any videos on YouTube, so I refrained from filming any videos. But today I was like, no, I'm going to film this video. So I'm filming in artificial lighting. I have 3 lights on right here because it has been raining and it's really dark outside. So yeah, this is all I wanted to say before I start this video. So if you like hauls and if you're interested in knowing what all products I'm going to show you, then please keep on watching. Okay, so let's start with the video right away, and I'm going to show you some products that I have accumulated, like I said, over the past 2 months or so. So the first thing that I would like to show are hair bands. So this year I have used like maximum hair bands, and maximum of them have broken and I had to throw them away. So I have noticed that hair bands मतलब 10 रुपए में मिलता था, अभी तो 20-25, like people are just saying whatever comes in your mouth, like seriously. So one hairband unfortunately broke. It was a really nice one, so I cannot show you that. So I have 4 hairbands out here. If you know me personally, I cannot live without a hairband. Like can you see all these broken hair? They come into my eye and that really pisses me off. So hairband is a must-have for me. So the first hairband is a very simple and plain one. So I got this for like 10 rupees. The second one is a basic black hairband. I really like this one. The quality is really nice and I paid 20 rupees for this. So if I was not making this video, I would have definitely worn this hairband. So today I haven't worn a hairband for a change. The third one is really interesting. It looks kind of different. Can you see that? It has this brown kind of color. It's kind of semi-transparent and it's really nice. It sits well on my head. The thing with hairbands and with me is that ये हेयर बैंड ज़्यादा टाइम मेरे सर पे टिकता नहीं है. Like if it's a plastic one, it definitely breaks off. So I'm happy I got those, and I'm also happy I got this one. This is really cute, and probably I'll wear it sometime either on my social media or in a video. And if I get more, I'll probably buy more of these because this really looks cute and elegant when you wear it. So I paid 20 rupees for all except the first one, which was the white one. So yeah, that was that. The next thing is I bought a tweezer. So I really wanted a tweezer during the lockdown, and none of the shops were open, like makeup shops. So I was like, I'm not buying online. मतलब 10-20 रुपए की चीज़ आप online तो बिल्कुल नहीं खरीदना चाहिए. Like लूट मारी है. Like I have seen earrings which are like 30-40 rupees. I've been sold on Amazon for like 100 rupees. So I'm definitely not going to buy things like that just because I am bored. So I was waiting for the shop to open, and I finally got a pair of tweezers. This is from some brand, Brother Stainless. This is how it looks like. It's very common in India. You'll definitely find this brand in any shop. So yeah, ऐसा दिखता है, and it does a really good job of plucking your brow hair. Like today I did that. It's kind of sharp at the beginning, so you have to be a little bit careful. But I think 20 रुपए में आपको क्या मिलेगा, right? Yeah. So this was the next product. Okay, so moving on, I'm going to show you the only product which is kind of a skincare product, but not really. This is the Alps Goodness Green Tea Intimate Hygiene Wash. So this is how it looks like, and I got this from Purple.com. So Alps Goodness is a brand which is exclusively only available on Purple, and they have really good products. This one is priced at rupees. If I can find the price, if not I'll mention it on the screen. This is 200 ml, and I remember buying this for like 120, although here it is saying the MRP is 215. Now honestly, can you see I have used it like quite a lot, and I don't like this product. Like I would definitely not recommend it, and the reason is that I will mention it in some another video. Probably I'll do a video where products that did not work for me, and that's when I will mention. All I would say, I really did not like it, and I feel I wasted my money because I was really looking for something which was inexpensive, like an intimate wash. आजकल intimate wash बहुत ज़रूरी हो गया है. बहुत सारे brands आ गए हैं, but I wanted something which is inexpensive, and because I genuinely and wholeheartedly shop on the Purple app, I spotted this. I got it, but I did not like it. So yeah, that was the product. The next thing I got were again bindis. I'm really obsessed with bindis, so this time around I purchased 3 of them. The first one is this one. So can you see that it has got like this in fact it's a pearl bindi, I would say, and it's quite tiny. So if I can just take it off and show you guys. So I think I paid 10 rupees for this, which is like really inexpensive. So hopefully this time around Diwali we'll be able to use these, because pata nahi is baar kya hoga. So yeah, this is how it looks like. It's really cute. It has got that Hina Khan's picture on it. I really like these type of bindis, like you know, the diamond one and the pearl one. So I paid 10 rupees for this one. The next one is this bindi. I really love these, and my sister-in-law kind of introduced me to these. So I had put a golden one in one of my videos. Probably I must have shown you guys. So this is the silver one. I would probably buy backup of these, because you know they really look nice. Like if you want to do some different kind of eye makeup, तो काम में आ जाएगा. So that was for 10 rupees, and I got a black one. So sometimes you really feel like applying bindi, like even if you're at home, it really kind of, you know, perks you up and put you into a mood. So yeah, these were the 3 bindis I got. I'm really happy. Like the shop where I go to, they have a good variety of bindi, and I think I have a few more which I'll show you in my next haul video. So yeah, stay tuned to my channel and subscribe if you haven't, because you know I love buying all these kind of products. I will also kind of show you the earrings that I have bought. If you all are interested in that video, please comment down and let me know if I should do a earring video. I'll probably do it around Diwali time, because that would be like, you know, the best time to show you, you know, ethnic kind of earring which are really inexpensive. So yeah, leave a comment and let me know. Okay, so moving on, I have only and only makeup. Can you see that? I have quite a lot of products, and the first thing I would like to show, this was on my wish list for such a long time, and I finally got it. So this is the Pro Arte PE29 Smudging Smoky Liner Brush. So basically ये एक pencil brush है, and I don't get it, but in India I don't understand why brands do not make like a pencil brush. And I really wanted one, and I saw many brands. Like there's one more brand. If I buy that brand, I will let you know. So that was also priced around 250 to 300. You get it on Flipkart और Nykaa पे हमेशा out of stock रहता है. I don't remember that brand name, but this was always on my, you know, wish list. So it does come like that, and it comes with this brush guard as well. So I think this is a really good pencil brush. Can you see that? And this is what is mentioned here, Pro Arte PE29. So you're supposed to use it to smoke your lower lash line, and I'm all about that. I do not wear liquid liners. Whenever I apply kajal, I wanted something to smudge on my lower lash line. Because I haven't used this brush, I cannot say, you know, how it is, but by the looks of it, by the reviews I have read online, everybody went gaga about it. So I had to buy it. Now this is priced at rupees 325. You'll get it on discount on Amazon. I'll place the link in the description box. So yeah, this is Pro Arte PE29 brush, and I really like it, and I'm really looking forward to try it. The next product that I have got is a foundation for a change. Like it's been a while I have, you know, bought any foundation. This is the L18 Lasting Glow foundation, and my shade is 02 Marble. This is how it looks like. On camera it looks quite yellow, and kind of a good match for me. Like I already have the L18 powder, and it's in the same variant Marble, and that kind of suits me well, and I've already hit pan on it. I've mentioned in my previous videos as well. So I was randomly going through some videos on YouTube, and I saw like अरे वाह, मतलब L18 ने नया foundation लाया है, and it has been like 8 months or so, or maybe more. This foundation did come out around the end of last year. I wasn't aware, so yes, I'm going to do a video on this one, whether I like it or not. And it is only priced at 100. तो 100 रुपये में आपको कितना कवरेज मिलता है, कितना अच्छा है, नहीं है, I will mention in that video. I'll also do a demo. So for now I just tried it once, so I cannot tell you how I feel about it, but I will try it in a different video. I will do a complete review on this one, so please stay tuned to my channel. Now let's talk about eye makeup. The first product that I have is from Purple. It is a Purple Winking Together Kajal. So I have a purple eyeliner which is brown in color. I really like that one, but as a kajal it was not good. As an eyeliner it's amazing, the quality is amazing. Now this one I got because I am an elite member on their app, so I did spend a lot of money and I got a free product. so I could redeem my points and get a free product. So what better than kajal, right? Because I do use kajal. So this is how the packaging looks like, and it comes in this kind of a box, purple, and it is a twist up version. So yeah, so I'll just do a quick swatch on my hand. So it's quite pigmented. Can you see that? It's quite pigmented, but I want to try it and see regarding the claim, मतलब कितना smudge proof है, ये है वो सब बाद में पता चलेगा. So this is priced at rupees 199. You get 0.25 grams. I'm happy that I got it for free so that I can try it. So I'll definitely do a review of this as well. So stay tuned to my channel. The next two products are again related to eye makeup, and these are the NY Bay Long Island pencils. So I think I have all the colors right now, and I've already done a review of the colors that I had back then. So since then I think I got a grey one. Today I have a blue one and a green one. So this is the green one. This is how it looks like. So these are not very pigmented, but the reason why I got these is so that I can use it as a base for an eyeshadow. Now today I have used that white pencil, which is from the same collection, and then I patted a blue eyeshadow on top of it, and look at the result. I'm really liking my eye makeup, and I genuinely went for blue color today because every time I go for these brown neutral colors, and मैं खुद अपने आप से बोर हो गई थी. So what do you guys think of my makeup? Let me know in the comment section. And yeah, as I was saying, I use the white one on my eye. This is the green one. तो ये बेस के लिए बहुत ही अच्छा प्रोडक्ट है. आप बेस की तरह इसको अप्लाई कर सकते हैं like an eyeshadow crayon, and then blend it with your finger and pack an eyeshadow on top of it. It really looks amazing. It makes the eyeshadow pop और long lasting भी होता है. The next color is a blue color. So these both were on my wish list for such a long time. It's a really beautiful blue color, kind of a royal blue I would say. So yet again, you need to, you can use it as a kajal. I feel the pigmentation is not good on the waterline, but if you use it as a base for an eyeshadow, nothing like it. So I paid around 70 rupees or 65 rupees. I always get these on discount, so I purchased them. Now the next product is a single eyeshadow, and I have already mentioned two variants I got, and in fact today I placed an order for two more of them, so I will be doing a video on these NY Bay single eyeshadows. So this is the NY Bay blinking eyeshadow in Carnegie Hall. This is how it looks like. It comes in this cardboard kind of packaging, and it has a magnetic closure. So as I said, this is shade number 23. It's a really deep maroony plum color. So I'm not going to swatch it, but I'm really looking forward at trying this one because मैं ऐसे colors कभी नहीं खरीदती हूँ, and the color on the app looked really nice. I was really intrigued, and I thought and abhi to people are just buying eyeshadow and eye makeup, so I want to buy some more eyeshadow and stuff. So I picked this one up. I think I got this for 100 rupees or less than that, and they always have like buy one get one free. So technically ये 125 का है, तो आपको like 64 rupees में ये मिल सकता है. So they have a wide range of colors. I would definitely recommend this eyeshadow. Okay friends, so let's move on to the last part of the video, and I'm going to talk about 4 lipsticks that I have purchased, or lip products. The first one is the one I'm wearing right now. It's from Darling Isabella, and it is this shade bold brown royalty number 3. So there is a big story behind this, and I'm going to tell you. So this is how the shade looks like, and this is what I'm wearing on my lips today. This is like the most wanted lipstick on the Purple app, especially from this brand, क्योंकि ऐसे कलर्स मिलना बहुत मुश्किल है. So they have a total of 15 shades, and I don't get it. Like I wanted to buy this. It was in my wish list for like months, and every time I'm writing to Purple, get this in stock. And I don't know what they were doing, but this lipstick used to never come in stock. So one day it finally came, and I'm happy I got this because उसके बाद ये lip color मिल ही नहीं रहा है. So they have 15 shades, and currently they're only selling 5, and I do not know, they have a manufacturing problem or they have a problem with the brand. I am sure many of the people are waiting to buy this lip shade, and I have a couple of others which I want to buy, like there's a mauve color lipstick, but I don't know what's the problem. Like I'm really disappointed with the Purple app because they are not stocking this lipstick. Like I would definitely buy a backup of this one because it's very rare that I really like a shade, and whenever I like a lip color or lip shade, I definitely buy backup. So as I showed you, this is how the color looks like. This is how it looks on my list. So I have done a complete review of these lipsticks, like what I have purchased in the past, And the most amazing part about this lipstick is the price. Like you'll get buy one get one free. So technically you're paying like 65 and 70 rupees for one lipstick. So इससे better क्या हो सकता है, right? And they have amazing shades from pinks to browns to mauve to maroon. You have everything. So if you get a chance to buy these lipsticks, definitely try them out. Like for this price, इससे better आपको कुछ नहीं मिल सकता. Trust me. Okay friends, so moving on to the next lipstick is this shade from Inside Cosmetics. It's called A16 Warm Nude. So this is very similar to the last color I showed you, but this is more on the orangey side. These lipsticks have become really popular on the internet. Can you see it's more of an orangey nude color? So it really looks stunning on my skin color, and it will look good on somebody who is like fair to medium skin color. So these are priced at ₹80. ऐसे दिखते हैं. Mostly the color matches the shade inside. The name is mentioned here, and I think they have like a 3 years का shelf life. If you're hearing those voices in the background, I really apologize. Always there is somebody making some noise while I'm filming this video. I am filming the video and it's really annoying. Yeah, let's move on to the lipstick. So as I was saying, this is a really good inexpensive lipstick. You have like more than 20 shades I guess, और 80 रुपये में इससे better क्या मिल सकता है. Like definitely buy it. You get it on Nykaa, you get it on Amazon. If you haven't tried these lipsticks, definitely try it. It's a must have according to me. The next lipstick is again from Inside, and this is one of the best lip colors I would say I own, and this is a liquid lipstick. Now it is only priced at ₹75, and everybody was like wow 75, but honestly you get less product. So this is how the color looks like. Isn't that stunning? And a very unique kind of shade. So the shade name is called 01 Joyful. So I think this is a must have shade. If you love brown lipsticks, definitely this is a must buy. So I will be wearing this in one of my future videos so that you know how it looks. For now this is how it looks on my hand. And कितना प्यारा shade है ये. So if you are somebody who likes brown, rusty brown kind of liquid lipstick, go for this one. ये बहुत अच्छे से अपने लिप्स पे अप्लाई होता है और काफ़ी लॉन्ग लास्टिंग है. थोड़ा सा ड्राइंग आपको लगेगा, आप लिप बाम लगा सकते हो, उसके ऊपर ये लिप कलर लगा सकते हो. It's amazing. If you want to gift yourself something for your birthday or maybe when Diwali is coming, go for these liquid lipstick. This is 75. This is priced at ₹75. They also have a bigger version. कुछ 140 rupees का मिलता है, आप वो भी ले सकते हो. And I'm really happy with this one. If I buy 1 or 2 more shades, then probably I'll do a video on this YouTube channel of mine. So stay tuned and let's hope if I can buy more stuff, then I'll definitely review it. The last product is something I've been loving, and I have already done like 2 reels on Instagram showing you this Swiss Beauty lip gloss. So this is the Swiss Beauty Gloss Me lip gloss. Look at the packaging, like isn't it amazing? It has got this shiny appearance. So I've been looking for a clear lip gloss for the longest time ever. I have contacted some of my friends asking them and tell me something which is inexpensive, or even a local brand bhi chalega. So I had spotted this on the Swiss Beauty page, and it was like around a year back. And then one day suddenly when I was checking Amazon, I found Swiss Beauty lip gloss. I'm saying that Swiss Beauty never advertises it, and why is it here? So I thought it's not genuine, but then I gave up and I said no, एक बार खरीद के देख लेते हैं. And I did read some of the reviews. I said yes, this is genuine. I bought it, I love it, and I've been using it like so much. Like I've already used some part of it. So you can apply this every day on your lips as a lip moisturizer or a lip balm. It could work that way. You can apply it on top of your lipstick and it gives you this amazing sheen. So this is priced at $199, and you will get it for like 105, 110 rupees plus shipping you have to pay obviously. If you have Amazon Prime, probably you will get this for like 130, so 10 rupiya. So this is really amazing. I'll show you the wand. It is a very flat shape kind of a wand, and it is not sticky, doesn't have any funky smell, and once you apply it on your lips, it gives you this nice glassy finish, and it really plumps up your lips. So I think this is a total winner, and I will definitely buy a backup of this one because I know nobody मतलब ये price में कोई clear lip gloss बनाता ही नहीं है. And this is one thing I don't understand with Indian brands, that glossy lips are in trend right now, like the shimmery ones or these clear kind of lip glosses. But nobody is making these lip glosses. Like what's going on? I think Inside Cosmetics should definitely come out with lip glosses and they will sell like hotcake, trust me. So yeah, that concludes my makeup haul video for today. These were all the products that I have purchased with my own money at different points of time, like I have mentioned. And I do not keep on buying products. However, I will be showing a haul maybe say after a month or so, because I have some products that I have purchased. Some of them I have ordered online and some of them I intend to buy from the shop. So please stay tuned and do subscribe to my channel and keep watching my videos and supporting my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video today. I will see you all soon in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye.